Now to the battle over the president's Supreme Court nominee. Margaret Brennan is following that.
Judge Gorsuch is an exceptionally qualified nominee. Probably there's rarely been anybody that's been more qualified.
As President Trump's Supreme Court nominee Neil Gorsuch tried to build support on Capitol Hill, the president did his own outreach to a bipartisan group of senators at the White House. The meeting came a day after Gorsuch privately lamented Mr. Trump's attacks on the judiciary, criticism that the president said was made up.
You misrepresented his comments totally.
I asked you what your thoughts were, sir.
His comments were misrepresented.
But former Senator Kelly Ayotte, who's guiding Gorsuch around the Capitol, had just hours earlier confirmed that Gorsuch had indeed said he found any criticism of a judge's integrity and independence disheartening and demoralizing. Republican Senator Ben Sasse also said Gorsuch was upset.
He got a little bit emotional, and he said that any attack or any criticism of his brothers and sisters of the robe is an attack or a criticism on everybody wearing the robe.
Courts seem to be so political.
Mr. Trump has lashed out at federal judges who have questioned his immigration order. White House spokesman Sean Spicer.
But in other words, the president will continue to speak like this.
Of course he will. The president's going to speak his mind. It goes back to Thomas Jefferson that presidents have commented on judicial nominees.
Earlier today, the president hit back at Republican Senator John McCain for his criticism of a U.S. raid against al-Qaeda in Yemen, which killed Navy SEAL Ryan Owens and several civilians. McCain said the operation was not a success. On Twitter, Trump wrote McCain should not be talking about the success or failure of a mission. He's been losing so long he doesn't know how to win anymore.
Now, those words could backfire on the president since the senator chairs the powerful Armed Services Committee charged with overseeing the Pentagon. And Scott, on Gorsuch, Democrats say his comments may simply be a ploy to show his independence.
Margaret Brennan at the White House.